Look at the phone in your hand right now. Whether it's an iPhone 14, 15, or even the 17, it's already obsolete. It's a relic of a slower, less intelligent era. The era of clicking apps, waiting for things to load, and compromising on photos because the light wasn't perfect is officially over. What if I told you Apple has perfected a device that doesn't just assist you, but anticipates your next move? What if I told you the camera isn't just capturing reality, but rewriting the laws of physics? This isn't just another smartphone release. This is the culmination of 2 decades of innovation, designed specifically for the powerhouse users of the USA. Welcome to the comprehensive, no-holds-barred, absolute breakdown of the iPhone 18 Pro Max. If you are serious about technology, if you want your content, your workflow, and your daily life to look like it's from the year 2030, do not skip a single second of this video. The next 30 minutes are going to change how you perceive mobile technology forever. The tech world is loud, but sometimes the loudest innovations come from the smallest advancements in silicon. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is not just a spec bump. We are talking about the leap from 3nm to 2nm architecture with the A20 Pro chip. This isn't just about faster benchmarks. It's about power efficiency that makes your current phone feel like it's running on Steam. Imagine editing 8K video directly on your phone while downloading a massive game, and the device doesn't even feel warm. The A20 Pro is engineered to be invisible. It operates with such insane speed and efficiency that you never have to think about performance bottlenecks again. But the real magic of this chip isn't just speed, it's intelligence. Apple Intelligence has evolved from a feature into the very backbone of the operating system. We are talking about a Siri that actually understands context, not just commands. Imagine telling your phone, "Find that photo I took of the restaurant in New York where we had that amazing steak." And it instantly brings up the exact image, analyzes the location, and even suggests reservation times for the next time you are in that city. It is proactive, not reactive. It understands the nuances of human language, bringing a level of personalization to technology that feels almost psychic. Let's talk about the display, because this is where the magic truly happens. For years, we have been obsessed with brightness, but the iPhone 18 Pro Max focuses on clarity and adaptability. Using next-generation LTPO plus display technology, this screen doesn't just change refresh rates. It changes how it interacts with light on a pixel level. The dynamic island. It has been refined, made smaller, and more functional, integrating deeper into the system to provide contextual information without distracting you from your content. And with under-display Face ID components, the immersive experience is unlike anything before. It's not just a screen. It's a window into another dimension of digital interaction. Now let's talk about the game changer, the camera system. The industry has been talking about megapixels, but Apple is talking about physics. The iPhone 18 Pro Max introduces a variable aperture mechanism on the main 48-megapixel fusion camera. This is not just a feature. It is the holy grail of mobile photography. Imagine having the control of a professional DSLR camera in your pocket. In low light, the aperture opens up to let in more light,